Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Azure Cloud today. I am continuing our iPhone and Intune series, and in this one, we are tackling a question which is, can you actually stop people from taking screenshot of work data on an iPhone? For years, the answer was not really. And you will still find older tutorials telling you it is impossible without a supervised company owned device, but that is out of date. Today, I will show you the new built in way to do it with an application protection policy on an ordinary personal iPhone. So, what exactly are we turning on? Inside an app protection policy, there is a single setting called screen capture. And when you set it to block, the app simply refuses to hand over its work content to the camera, to the screen recorder, or to anything trying to mirror or share the screen. That means screenshots come out as black. On device screen recordings come out as black. Sharing your screen on a Teams or Zoom call shows a black window. And here is the important part for us. This is an app level control, what Microsoft calls MAM. So it follows your work account into the app. It does not need a supervised device. It does not need Apple Business Manager, and it works perfectly on a personal bring your own iPhone, just like the one that we have. The one thing to know is that it only protects work data inside managed apps. Your personal photos, your personal apps, your own messages, none of that is touched. Here is our plan, and it is just three steps. First, I will prove screenshots are working normally right now so that you can see the before and after. Second, we will jump into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center and change that one setting from allow to block. And third, we'll come back to our iPhone and watch those same screenshots turn black. Please do note that I am editing the existing application protection policy we already built earlier in this series. So if you have been following along, you can just open yours and edit it. If you're not following along, then you can just go to the application protection policy, create a new policy, and configure the setting just like we do. The setting to note over here is screen capture. We are in our iPhone now. Let's open Teams. Let's enter the work pin. If you want to know how to set up a work pin, then please click on the card attached on the top right of this video for you to watch. Now, if you notice over here, I am able to screen record the entire device and it's working completely fine. Let's try to take a screenshot. If you notice the screenshot we are able to take and it's totally visible to us. Let's close this. So this is before we enforce the application protection policy. We can see over here clearly that screenshots are being taken. Screen recording is also done without any problem. We are now back in our Microsoft Intune admin center, logged in with our global admin account. In order to block screenshots or screen recording, we would have to click on apps over here at the left hand side. Then select the platform. We are currently focused on iOS, iPad OS, and then click on protection under inside managed apps over here. And then we will select the policy which is Azure Cloud Today iOS app demo. If you haven't created this one, then I would recommend you to click on the drop down next to create, go over here, create the policy from scratch. However, if you're following along and if you just want to know that one setting, then just click on the existing policy. Then inside manage, go under properties and then scroll down a little. And over here, if you see, it is screen capture is over here, which is currently set to allow. So we'll go over here, click on edit, scroll down at the bottom, and for screen capture, we will change this to block. And then click on review plus save. And then click on save. If you notice over here, the apps which will be targeted for this is core Microsoft application. So if I click on edit over here the target policy is set to core Microsoft apps, and if I click over here, view a list of apps that will be targeted, I will get a list of all the core Microsoft apps over here. So these are the ones that is being targeted. Let's go out of here. If you want to know how to create an application protection policy from scratch, just like we did over here, then please click on the card attached on the top right of this video. Please do note that even though we have applied the policy which is screen capture to block, application protection policy changes are not always instant. For a user who is already signed in, the new setting can take up to 8 hours to refresh in the background. So if you change this and a screenshot still works 5 minutes later, then do not panic. The policy just has not landed yet. When I am testing or filming, I force the policy changes to be quicker by signing out of the app and signing back in, which pulls the latest policy straight away. So let me do that now and show you the result. So what I've done is I have logged out of Microsoft Teams and have re-logged in so that the application protection policy takes effect instantly or quickly. So let's open Microsoft Teams again and let's try to take a screenshot or do a screen recording and see what is the outcome. Okay, I'll click on Microsoft Teams over here, and then what I'll do is I'll try to take a screenshot. If you notice over here, when we try to take a screenshot, we get a message stating action not allowed. Your organization doesn't allow screen capture or recording. Now, in the same way, if we go over here and try to do a screen recording, we will get a message stating, see, action not allowed. Your organization doesn't allow screen capture or recording. This is what I wanted to show you. Let us recap what we learned today. To block screenshots or screen recording on an iPhone, you set one thing, which is screen capture, to block inside your app protection policy. It works on a personal BYOD device with no supervision and no Apple Business Manager because it is an app level MAM control. This setting covers screenshots, screen recording, AirPlay mirroring, and screen sharing on calls. Please do note that it only affects your work data and never the user's personal stuff. So, this block will only apply for your managed application and not to your personal applications. Furthermore, I will be reverting this change and would be setting the block capture to allow, as I would have to do screen recording for our future videos. If I keep this to block, then it would not let me screen record our iPhone. Thank you so much for watching, and if this helped, do hit subscribe as it genuinely helps the channel. Next up in the series, I will show you how to stop work files from leaking into iCloud backups. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.